Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen on VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and even put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of dragging this out with stuff you don't really care about or making it 15 minutes long, I'll just straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs for fixing Reddit not working issues. Plus a few key things about each, so you can just pick one and get back to scrolling stress-free. And for the nerds like me, I'll drop a link in the description where you can grab my whole research doc for free and read it anytime this year. No joke. Alright, let's go straight to it. Top 3 VPNs to fix Reddit not working problems and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best for Reddit issues. Why? It actually works with Reddit, bypassing those annoying blocks or region restrictions. That's super important, right? Speed? It's literally one of the fastest I've tested. 0 delays, no drops, super smooth browsing. Features? It has more than any other. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it. Everything to keep your Reddit connection stable and private. Pricing and support? Good price for what you get, and the support is top-notch. Do they keep logs? No way, they don't. Encryption? They use the best tech available, so your Reddit traffic stays safe. Overall, super easy to use, fast, reliable, and pretty affordable for everything it offers. Downside? 10 device limit. Second best is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built for performance and reliability. Speed? Incredibly fast with no interruptions, no lag, no disconnects, just smooth Reddit browsing. Features? All the essentials you need as a Reddit user, plus a reliable kill switch and split tunneling. Great if you want just Reddit traffic going through the VPN. Pricing and support? One of the best values out there. Often cheaper than competitors, but still delivers top performance. Support is quick and helpful. Do they keep logs? Nope. Independently audited no logs policy. Encryption? Best encryption tech, AES 256. Downsides? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which may worry privacy geeks. But their no log audit checks out. The server network's smaller than the other two too. Overall, clean, fast, secure, and basically a set it and forget it VPN. Perfect for uninterrupted Reddit access and great value. Third best is private internet access, or PIA. Why? Massive server network and the most customization here, so you can always find a stable Reddit-friendly server. Speed? Very good. With that huge network, you'll find a fast, uncrowded server nearby. Features? Packed with stuff. Kill switch, a stellar ad blocker to ditch Reddit ads, and tons of customization. Pricing and support? Almost always the cheapest premium option here. Support is solid and professional. Do they keep logs? No, they don't. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Top-notch and even customizable. Downsides? Like IPVanish, it's US-based, and the app isn't as slick as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, powerful. Best choice if you're on a budget, but want a huge network and advanced features. And that's it, my top 3 picks for fixing Reddit not working problems. NordVPN, IPVanish, and PIA. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick based on logos or colors, you'll be fine, because they just work perfectly to unblock Reddit. Quick recap if you're still unsure. Go with NordVPN if you want the best all-around VPN for Reddit, with a premium feel, tons of features, and fast speeds. Pick IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it Reddit VPN that's incredible value for the price. Choose PIA if you're on a budget, but want a VPN with a massive server network and loads of advanced options. My job here is done. I gave you the answers, so you don't have to waste time. I've put exclusive discount links for all 3 down in the description, so you can get the best price. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one, and hey, let me know in the comments which you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.